How condoms can be used in birth control to prevent pregnancy. A condom is a strong rubber sheath placed over an erected penis before sexual intercourse. Use of condom prevents the sperm from entering the vagina, that they collect the sperm to prevent the fusion of sperm with the ovum. Also, in female, a female condom called femicondom may be used. So this is a condom with a closed end which fits inside the vagina inserted before sexual intercourse. Its open end stays outside the vagina flat against the vulva. So these condoms prevent the fusion or union of gametes. Remember that the misuse or failure to use these condoms may make this not to work efficiently. Thank you for listening and watching. Till next time.